Is it just for birds? So nesting is a co-parenting option that a lot of people choose right when they're getting a separation. It is not a long-term solution because while it often works well for kids, especially young kids, it can be really challenging on parents. But essentially what a nesting schedule is that the kids stay in the, let's say, marital home, the home that all of you lived in. And the parents leave the home when it's not their time to parent with the kids. Sometimes if you are in a great financial position, you can have another apartment that you leave and go to. Sometimes it's about crashing on a friend's couch or staying with your parents or taking a little trip. But one way or another, sometimes this is a really great way for little kids especially to adjust to being with each parent at different times without also having to move houses.